Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so welcome back to Livie's Lovelies. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to go ahead and encourage you right now to go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, any of the happy mail, any of the process videos and DIYs and all the other stuff that I do here on this channel. And if you're not new to the channel and you are a current subscriber, I say thank you for stopping back. Thanks for being a part of the community. Thanks for your feedback, comments, and your words of encouragement. Now, with all that aside, guys, I just want to let you in on a little secret. Got some happy mail. This happy mail comes from Katinah. She has her own channel, and I'm going to drop a link to her channel below so that you can check out some of her videos. Now, I will tell you, she is new to the world, or should I say her channel is new to the YouTube family. So if you're watching this, head over, subscribe to our sister gal's channel and show her some love. Let her know that Fam from Livie's Lovelies sent you, okay? Anyway, so I'm not going to hold y'all much longer. Let's get into what Katinah sent me, guys and girls. All right, so of course, there's a wonderful little envelope from Katinah, and I'm going to open that and read that off camera. There is some, Illustrated Faith. This is Seeds of Faith designer clips. I have none of these. I have no designer clips whatsoever. So, you know, before I go any further, Katinah, if you're watching this, thank you so much for agreeing to swap with me. And by the way, so Katinah and I agreed to swap. So she agreed to send me a junk journal that she created, and I will send her an altered notebook. Yeah, that's what the agreement was. Okay, so Katinah, I don't have any of these designer clips, so thank you so much. Illustrated Faith, Bright and Brave paper pieces. So we've got some die cuts, and that's what the back looks like. See that? And that's what the back looks like for here. So those are the clips that are included on this one. And then we also have some more die cuts. She blooms, and yes, she does. I should hope I do. All right, that's what's on the back of there. All right, so now let me move this box off to the side so we can have enough space to take a look. All right, so it looks like she sent 2 journals, but I'm going to start off with this one. Have y'all noticed that one red? Listen, I can't always get around to beautifying myself, so excuse the one finger. I'll get to the rest of it later. Okay. All right, so here we are. Oh my goodness. Now, Katinah, how in the world? I know it's paper. It almost has a leather feel to it. Let's see if I can open this up. It has something like a leather feel to it. I love the rickrack ribbon and the teal, or the teal and the taupe. Oh, that's pretty. It's a lot of craftsmanship goes into making these types of things, and because I am not a journal maker yet, I do so appreciate the work that goes into making these types of journals. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Let me make sure I got it front, back. I don't know which one. I'm assuming this is the front. Okay, so let's start here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this to music. So out. So it's a really cute summer themed journal, and I want to actually use it now, but I'm going to have some discipline and hold off until next spring, pull it out and start utilizing it. And who knows, maybe I'll create some videos using this and incorporate that into my summer series. So thank you so much for that. And there's another something in here as well. Oh, there's a box in here before I go into the next one. I think she said she sent 2 journals. Oh my goodness, let's see. This looks like soaps. This looks like it is soaps, and you know what? It smells like the most amazing lavender on earth. Okay, so it looks like this is lavender soap. It smells gorgeous. Okay, I would like to keep the entire box near my bed so I can smell it every night and put myself to sleep. It is the most beautiful scent. Thank you so much, Katinah. You must have heard me say in one of my videos how much I enjoy and am in love with the scent of lavender. I had to pick up the bottom to see if they had told me the scent that was in there. But it has different leaf prints on the top of them. And it looks like it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 soaps. And, oh, they smell heavenly. Let's just say that. All right, and so the last one is, oh my word. Look at this book of gorgeousness. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so it says coconut, Big Island flavor. So right off the bat, you've got a tag at the top. Okay, let me zoom this out just a bit. Let me try to zoom it out just a bit. All right, there we go. Okay, and then there's a, how cute is that? Look at that bottle with the, can you see that? The glitter tape and then the, oh, that's gorgeous. Who would have thought of that? But then there's a die cut of a seashell, right? Okay, so let me untie this so we can take a walk through together. All right, so there's arrows pointing this way. So let's go that way. I love these flip-flops. I wonder if, I wouldn't be mad if I had a pair like this in real life, you know? Top 10 family memories to make. I like that. Yes, check. More coloring. Look at this cute little deer. And I'm trying to be quiet while Josh is taking a nap because he had some teeth extracted today. And so I know that anesthesia is going to wear off soon. And I'll be on nurse mom duty for the rest of the day. So while he's napping, I will try and get some items off of my craft list for the week. Here's another one of those file folders. I love these. Look at that. Look at the little glistening. That's the dryer. Like I said, there's always something going on between the phone calls and the dryer, the firefly. The firefly's flame is something for which science has no name. I can think of nothing eerier than flying around with an unidentified glow on a person's posterior. Is it posterior? Posterior. Me neither. Nothing eerier. Okay. Than flying around with an unidentified glow on a person's posterior. Yes. My rear doesn't light up anything. Okay. All right. So again, thank you so much, Katinah, for these beautiful journals. I cannot wait to fully utilize them. I think that I want to use this one to include things that we did for this summer, and then the other one I'll use for next summer. And again, if you guys haven't already checked out Katinah's channel, check below for the link and go over and show her some love. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.